Hello everybody. In this lecture we will learn how to use databases and also we will learn about SQLite database. In every lecture we are getting more professional and now we are ready to use our database, create our database and also store our data in our databases. And let's talk about before what is database, and after that we will also learn the Python API supports which databases, and also after that we'll talk about SQLite database, okay, and some other things about database. And after that, after this lesson, we'll also learn how to insert data to our database, delete it, and also other things about all other things about our databases, okay. And databases are well organized collection of data. They include collection of schemas, tables, queries, reports, views, and other elements. Python, here we have a list, and the Python database API support this all database systems: Getfly, SQLite, MSQL, MySQL, and Informix Interbase, Oracle, and even Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, this is, but we only will use in our lessons SQLite database because it's very simple to use with Python, and also we don't need to install anything, the server for our database. We only need to import our SQLite 3 module, and after that we can store all our data into our databases. Okay, here before that also I have a picture here. I have created a picture for you, and you can think how is looking at the database table here. Of course, a database can have many data tables. Only I create here only one. For example, you can see it says table of employees, right? This is, you can think like this is table of employees, and for example another table can be table of products or table of other things. Many things you can think about it. Okay, this is just an example, and this is our table. Okay, so you can think its name is employees, and here we have columns, right? Name, surname, age, address, and also salary, and each row has infos, right? They have some data here. This is the first one. Is the first row is name is Jack, surname is Brown, age 25, and for the address I said, so I wrote something here, and also salary. Okay, and we will do of course many examples about that, and you will understand better how database is working. But before that also I want to talk about some types about databases, because here as you see we have here name is, it's a string value, surname is also string value, but age is, it is integer, right? The address is also string value, but salary is 20, it is also integer value. How and they are working in SQLite. Here I have another table about it. Here for the Python type is, for example, none type in Python, it is in SQLite. When we create our databases and we need to type for none type, we need to say null. Okay, for the integer in Python we need to type integer like that, because for the integer in Python we say int, but in SQLite when we code our database we need to type integer. Okay, for the long type it is also integer in SQLite. For the float numbers it is real. Okay, it's not integer or float, it is real. We need to type, we need to use type of real. For the string values we need to use text. Here for example this one is a text. Okay, string value we need to use text. For the surname also we need to use text in our, when we create our tables and when we insert data in our databases. For the age, as you see, it's, I said it is integer value, because for the integer we need to use integer, and for the salary also. For the others we also need to use text value. And other one is a Unicode. Unicode is also in SQLite, it is text value. And the last one is buffer type, and buffer type in Python is buffer, but in SQLite it is blob. Okay, this is, we have 5 different types in SQLite. Okay, and also we will also use a program when we want to browse our database. This is SQLite browser, and I have a link here. let's click it. As you see here, this is very simple program, and we need to use this one because when we create our databases, we can browse our database and also data in our database with this program. It's very easy. It is for Windows and also portable version, Mac version, and also I think for the Linux, I don't know, but for Mac and Windows it has. Okay, we will also use this program. And for now, that's all. After this lesson, we will start to create our databases, and also we will learn everything about databases. See you in the next.